Okay, so welcome back. So what we're going to do is I'm going to explain just very simple and very quickly the two steps for solving a function or solving for an expression involving x and y. And so writing something as a function. So to find an expression for a function in terms of f of x, it's very straightforward. So we're going to consider that we have some equation that's relating x and y. So we're just involving x and y. Okay? Now assume that y can be expressed as a function of x, or that's the assumption that we're operating on. Okay? So involving these two things, considering these two things, to find an expression for f of x, we're going to just use these two steps. The first step is we're just going to solve the equation for y. We've been doing that, right? So you put y on one side of the equal sign and everything else goes on the other side. So we're just going to isolate the y variable on one side of the equal sign. Okay? So we've been doing that. So once you do that, that's step one, right? So nothing new there. Okay? Then step two is we're going to, instead of using y, we're just going to replace y and write f of x. Okay, and that's it. Those are the two steps. So if you're given an equation in x and y, then what you're going to do is step one, solve the equation for y, like we normally do. Okay? And then step two, we're just going to replace y with f of x, and we're done. Okay? Again, we're assuming that the expression can be expressed as a function of x, so it is a function. So we're assuming that this is a function, right? And it involves two variables, x and y. Okay? And that's it. That's how you do it.